Okay, here we have a Spider-Man PS4 exclusive, the collector's box. A very cool web effect on the box itself. Once you open it, some nice artwork there of Spider-Man himself, and some collector's artwork, I believe, of the Rhino boss fight. No spoilers here, it's just there are a limited edition of these boxes, and this one just kind of identifies which number it is. We've also got a Daily Bugle here, of course the daily newspaper in the Spider-Man universe. A lot of content here, a lot to read, background on the bosses, that sort of thing. You can really spoil yourself and go into that. Little bag from the Coffee Bean, another famous coffee shop franchise inside the Spider-Man universe, and inside is all sorts of little goodies. Spider-Man, Peter Parker, obviously quite a doodler. He has a lot of interesting little artworks and schematics that he's got there. We've also got a couple of family photographs. There's Mary Jane and the gang. Set in New York City, of course, Empire State Building. There's Uncle Ben, Aunt May, the Brooklyn Bridge, I think, I'm not too sure. There's Peter himself and slightly older Aunt May. Very cool stuff. There's a badge that you can iron onto a sleeve or a jacket or something. Backpack, one of those heat-sensitive badges. There's also a press pass for the Daily Bugle, Peter Parker. Very cool little plastic card there. And then a magnet that you can also just stick onto your shirt or a backpack or something. Quite a strong magnet, so that will go nicely onto a backpack. Shouldn't come too loose. I think that's it from there. Also contained is a little map of Manhattan Island, where the game is set. I'm not too sure what the pathway is, but I'm sure as you play the game it'll unfold. New York subway guide. In it, of course, the cards that contains the download code. Little aerial photograph, of course, of Manhattan Island as well, and some sort of impact site. Classified information about Devil's Breath, which is quite an important part of the game, as you'll see. And probably the most important part of this is the unique comic that everybody gets. Of course, I haven't opened it, and I probably never will, but number 399 of only 1,250 collector's editions. So this one is very unique. Should be worth something in a while. I'm quite excited about it. But yeah, that is the Spider-Man collector's set, PS4 exclusive. So Xbox fans, sorry you've got to wait a little bit, but yeah, this is it's a great game, a great little pack containing all sorts of goodies and fun little things to play with.